Use 3 strands of the green floss for stitching the leaf. Poke the needle through the top of the leaf, then bring it back down a little above the bottom of the leaf. Now, just like we did with the petals using satin stitch, we'll alternate sides, poke the needles near the top right edge, bring it back down to the center, then do the same on the left. Keep going back and forth, right and left, slowly filling in the shape of the leaf. Follow the lines on the fabric as a guide, and each time you stitch, try to come a bit closer to the bottom. Don't go too far apart. Keep your stitches close together so the shape fills nicely. So don't worry about staying exactly on the guidelines, but just avoid stitching too far from where your last stitch went in. So that helps the leaf keep a neat shape. Now let's say you run out of floss. Just tie your floss at the back, just like we do while finishing the stitches, and thread your needle with the leftover floss. So once it's threaded, just continue from where you left off. Keep stitching until you reach the bottom of the leaf, and when you're done, tie a knot at the back of your work to secure the thread, and that's it. You have stitched a lovely leaf. Use 3 strands